Hello and welcome to Learning Python tutorial, and in this video we are going to look at how to perform CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, delete operations with MongoDB in Python. We can use the image, MongoDB image of Docker official image that we have already used in our one of the previous example. But before that, let's create new project and then we will fetch MongoDB image, Docker image. So all right, so I'm going to create new project with Python 3.12 that which is installed on my local machine. All right, so first step that we are going to need is to have MongoDB on local machine. So you can either install it or we are going to have local MongoDB container. So you can see as of now, I don't have any image or container. We are going to write new Docker compose dot YAML. And so we are going to use is Docker Compose YAML from one of our project. So I'm going to share this link with you. And in fact, you can visit our previous videos. So this particular video was from learning Rust programming or CRUD Mongo operation. And inside that we have this Docker Compose YAML. So I'm going to simply copy paste. Okay. So again, first line is version of Docker Compose. Then we specify number of services or number of containers. Inside that, I have Rust Mongo container, which will be derived from image MongoDB, Mongo 5. This is official image. Container name is Rust Mongo, and it will be started every time whenever our Docker engine restarts. And environment variable, we set up username password and we map default ports as 27017 to 27017 unchanged. All right. So what I'm going to do is on terminal, I'm going to say Docker compose up. So this should basically create fetch image and it should create local MongoDB instance up and running. So while it is happening, the next thing that we need to do is to install PyMongo. Okay, so let me create one new tab here. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire command pip install PyMongo. So this is the library that we are going to use to connect with MongoDB. So it is installing PyMongo. So we have PyMongo installed on our local machine. And let's see, yeah, so our MongoDB instance is also up and running. So what we are going to do, we are going to create new Python file, which will create. All right, we need to from Mongo, we need to import certain things. So first is Mongo client. Okay, so here we are going to make connection. First of all, I'm going to create client object, Mongo client, and for that I'm going to pass MongoDB URL, which looks like this MongoDB // localhost 27017 /. So this is the port. The database name is, let's keep it as DB or maybe my DB. And here we don't have any collection. All right. So we have to provide here username and password. Root is our username and password is password that we have specified in our Docker Compose. So this value we have to provide password at the rate. So this is how your MongoDB URL will look like. You can set up this URL in your environment directory also, and then you can read from there. So here for demo purpose, I'm using this hard-coded MongoDB link. So we start with MongoDB // username password at the rate URL name and last port. Okay. Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to insert some, we want to create some data in our MongoDB collection. So we call it a document. So we create new document. So first operation is insert and it will look like this. New document equal to name is John Doe, age 30, email John Doe sample. Okay, so this record I want to insert. So this is the result, and we will be using collection dot insert one query, and we'll be passing this new document as a parameter, and we will print this inserted document ID as result dot inserted ID. Correct. This should insert, but before that, let me show you one more tool that we are going to use to connect to uh, our GUI based MongoDB client, that is RoboMongo. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to connect. So it is connected to local client, and you can see as of now there is no database. No database is created. So let's run this and see if we can. Okay. So this is saying that the document is inserted and database is also created. Let's verify. So here I'm going to right click and refresh, and you can see this MyDB is created, and inside this MyDB I have collection user, and if I right click and click on view documents, then it will show me newly inserted object, that is John Doe age with respective fields. So insertion happened successfully. All right. So after insertion, what we are going to do is we are going to perform read operation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yeah, I have this ID, right? So this ID I'm going to copy. I'm going to comment all this create code, and in next line I'm going to perform read operation using this ID. Okay. So there is so first of all, let's try to read all documents. And it is performed like this: documents equal to collection dot find all operation, and we can do like this: document in all documents, print document. So this is the one way where we are performing read all operation. Okay, and if we do it, then yeah, it is printing all. It should print. So currently we only have one document, so it is printing just one. Practically, we would be needing operation where we want to fetch certain record with the query. So let's create query. So here I am creating query. I want to fetch record with name is John Doe. Okay. So result is collection dot find one, and I'm going to pass filter as this query. So you can see the record which I want to find out. So at first level, it is, you can see this key name at the first level itself. So I'm directly passing it as name. You can either pass age or email or even object ID. It should return. So if result is found, then we are going to print result. Else we are going to print message document not found. Okay. So let's run this. So you can see document is found, John Doe. Now if I try to twist this, so you can see document not found, correct? So our query is working. So next, if I want to modify, update this, then again, I need to use update query. So let me first of all comment this code. So let's perform update operation. So for that, again, I would need update query. Let me, for update query again, we have same situation. We need to pass same query. So I want to update query with name John. I want to update document with name John Doe, and I want to update data. So new data will look like. So you need to pass this $set. You need to use this keyword inside quotes, and here I will be passing the record age Let me update age as 31. Let me update email, john.doe.dated@example. So I have updated both age and email. Correct. So that's it. And then what I'm going to do is same thing. Result equal to collection dot update one query, update query, and then update data. So, and after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to again query. Let's run this. So, oh, my bad. So I have added here space. That's the reason it has created another field as age. So here now age is updated, and this age we need to delete. So yeah, so let's look at how to delete it. So for now, let me go and simply delete. Let me refresh. So here the one with the space. Let me edit this document. Yeah, this field is incorrect. Save. Yeah. So now if I run this, then you will see just age, email, and name. All right. So this is how you update. Now last part is delete. If I want to delete the record, then how we are going to perform delete. So for delete also we need a query. Again same delete query is again name John Doe and result equal to collection dot delete one. We pass this delete query, and so again what we'll do, we'll try to, so what we will do is first we'll print the record. Again we'll print the record after. So what we are doing is we are first of all printing that is record from database, which obviously will be there. It will be printed. Then we'll delete, and then we'll again try to find out. So expected result would be first time it will print the data from John Doe, then we'll delete the record, and after that we should get the document not found. Correct. Let's run this. So you can see document not found has printed. So we can confirm here. Let's refresh, and in MongoDB, if I do this, then you will see fetch 0 records. Okay, so same query, the query we are calling this from API, you will see here. Okay, so find query, we find performs, as we have seen, find performs read all operation, correct? So yeah, let me uncomment it and I will check in the code. You can go through it. So this is about CRUD operation, simple CRUD operation using MongoDB, using PyMongo driver. So that's it from this video. If you want more, then please comment in the comment section. And that's it from this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.